I've got an amazing milkshake for you over here today. So this recipe is coming out just because we've got summer approaching and I know what's coming, something cold. So you would prefer something cold. So, and I know not everyone can enjoy milkshakes, so I'm going to bring you a soya-based milkshake, which is a soya plant-based ice cream and soya milk. But I'm going to use the amazing ingredients, which is avocado and cashew nuts. So watch for this recipe, and don't forget, it is, just thinking about avocado and cashew nuts is just making my mouth drill, so sorry. But I hope you really enjoy this recipe, and I hope you will serve it to your friends and families and people who you know who are intolerant to milk. Like I am intolerant to certain kinds of certain milk, and I avoid. So I've started on with soya, and I think you can still enjoy it as long as you replace it and it's healthier. So watch out for this recipe, and I hope you like it. Okay friends, for the avocado milkshake, avocado and cashew nut milkshake, what we would require is, I've got some hash avocados over here. I'm going to use 2 of this. Just cut it in straight, hold the knife over here and just turn it down, and the seed comes up. Don't mind if it is slightly dark, I don't mind it at all, but if you do, just avoid it. I'm going to use a juicer jar. I'm going to scoop the avocado out of it using a spoon. Drop it straight in, and scoop this up again. Go straight in. And so with the rest, what I'm going to do, I think the skin on this one is slightly harder, so I'm going to use a knife. You can take some ripe avocados. I like a little bit of texture in mine, so something to bite it. So I'm going to slightly chop that. What I'm going to do is add, I'm not going to add all that because it's okay. That, just cut it up. I'm going to add the cashew nuts to it. I've got about 3, 6, 9, 12 to 15 cashew nuts. Remember this milkshake is enough for 1. That's a good portion. And I've got some soy-based ice cream. I'm gonna add a good amount of ice cream to it. And remember, for the exact ingredients that you need for this recipe, you'll see it in the description. So over here I've got avocado, cashew nuts and the soya-based ice cream, and I'm going to add some soya milk to it. So that's about a cup, 240 to 40. So I'm going to save some, and I'm going to blend it down. Okay, after putting it into a jar, there you go. Avocado and cashew nut soya-based milkshakes ready. You see the chunky bits falling in. Okay. I like to do is top it with some soya ice cream as well, and if you want, you could put some honey on top, or put some sweet, whatever sweeteners you think would go with the milkshake, but I would prefer like this. So there you go, avocado and cashew nut milkshake, soya based. I hope you enjoy it. Friends, I hope you really enjoyed this avocado and cashew nut milkshake, soya based, and don't forget, I've got some amazing more milkshake salads and some amazing dishes coming up, and don't forget to hit the bell button, like, subscribe and share, and remember, it's straight from my heart to your table when you do it at home. Serve it to your family and friends. So till the next time, goodbye from the Rebelo.